C1.1 F. Okay, if you look over here, it says write each of the following quadratic equation in general form. 1. General form. 1. Then solve the quadratic equation. So if you look over here, we have our y. Okay, we are going to look at our a first. It's given m plus 2 equals to 3. So what should we do first? Expand. So you're gonna get m squared plus 2m minus 3 equals to 0. That's gonna be your quadratic equation. Nak cakap. Okay. So what should we do next? You have your A, B, and C value, right? What's your A value there? 1, B, 2, C, negative 3. Key in your calculator first. Your first M. M lah. Janganlah tulis X pula Even in your calculator it's going to be stated X, right? 1. And the other value? Negative 3. So, you have the answer ready. Is it we are going to leave it like that? We are going to have in the middle there. So, you are going to get what? M minus 1 equals to 0. M plus 3 equals to 0. Then we are going to have it in our what? Factorization equals to 0. Done. Any question? No question. Good. Then I ask you to do the C. 1 over 2 y squared equals to 12 minus y. Okay. So what should we do? I didn't hear. Bring everything to the left side first, right? Of course lah. Isn't it? No. Yes. Mana satu? Okay, 1 over 2 y square, bring negative y plus y, bring 12 minus 12. Done? Done? Oh, done? Ada orang kata done, ada orang kata no. Okay, so what should I do next? Oh, you already key in. Okay. So you have over here A, this one is B, this one is C. Isn't it? Yes pula. Tadi no. Yes. Okay, tu je lah Okay. So you got the first first Y. 4. The second value of Y? Negative 6. Okay. Oh, tak nampak. Okay, negative 6. Okay. So, same like what we done just now. Y minus 4 equals to 0. This one, Y plus 6 equals to 0. So, when you are going to have your factorization over here, Y minus 4 and also Y plus 6. Is it going to be our answer? Yes, no, I don't know. What I say? Y times Y. Tak faham tak faham. Y times Y. 1 over 2Y. Or Y times Y dapat 1 over 2Y. Y square. Negative 4 times 6. Negative 20. 24 kan? Oh, takkan nak kalkulator juga. Negative 24, right? Yeah. Wake up, wake up, wake up. So, what should we do? Yes? Times by 2. Ni kan. Ini. Ni nak jadi ni. Kan? You have to do the relation. Nampak tak? Macam mana kau tiba-tiba bangun daripada tidur, tiba-tiba dah pakai baju, dah siap kan? Tak mandi. Contoh. Ada? Yang mana? Ni yang divide one over two. Dia bagi jawapan lah. No. This one, girls. I asked you the relation -4 times 6 is -24. Right, I know. You say, oh, from here to get -12, you say divide by 2. Right, correct. But we are going to from up to down. Kan? How did -12 become -24? Yes, dah betul dah tu. Bukan divide. Times 2. Everything times 2 here. So, your quadratic equation going to be what? Y square plus 2y minus 24 equals to 0. Itu je. Oh. Have you done? Semua sembunyi. Mentang depan ni komputer depan korang kan. Okay, next. Yeah. E. Okay, what we have over there is 8 over k equals to 2 plus k. What should we do next? I don't want to give you to salin my answer. Wait. Focus. When I explain, please focus. Bukan marah, teguran. So, what should I do? Equals to 0. Apa? Pindah. Okay. Pindah. So, you are going to get this one. 8 over k minus k minus 2. Kan? A equals to 0. That's your first step. Second step. Who's done this one? Siapa yang dah buat? What should we do next? Change into the formula of our quadratic equation. Okay, good. So how did we want to change it? Kau buat apa signal je macam konduktor. Cakap. Okay, your friend give us the method there. We are going to change it into our quadratic equation. Okay, so how is it possible we are going to have our quadratic? How? If you look there, ada tak yang kuasa 2 tu? Ada. Mana? Our quadratic equation is going to be ax squared plus bx plus c. Am I right? So in this case, it's going to be k lah, not x kan? So k squared. So how is it possible for us to get the k squared over here? Yeah. Times by k lah. Cikgu? Times by k? Yeah. If you look over here, times by k 8 over k times k. What do you get? 8k. Aku tunjuk lah. Ni, sini. 8 over k times k. Korang kan suka potong. Dapat apa? Yeah. So this one you are going to get 8 minus apa? K times k. Yes, k square. Oh, dah ada dah. Minus 2 times k. Yes, 2k. Oh. What should we do next? Apa ni? Rearrange. Susun. You akan dapat apa? Negative k square minus 2k plus 8 equals to 0. And I like to do my k there. No, the a value going to be 1. 1 only, not negative. So how? Times by negative 1, kan? To change. So you're gonna get k square. Tak nak ping lah. Warna lain pula. K square plus 2k minus 8. Why did I want to have my a as 1? Why? Because later you do not need to do this one. You already changed. You already simplified. Instead like this one, you can say to yourself, I don't want 1 over 2. So how we did? I want to the 1 over 2 disappear. Ambil pemadam tak rasa. Times like that, you are going to get y square. So it's more easy for you. Boleh? Boleh. Now you have your A, you have your B, you have your C. Key into your calculator. What do you have for your first value of k? The first value going to be 2. The second value going to be negative 4. Now you are going to have the relationship k minus 2 equals to 0. K plus 4 equals to 0. Now you do the factorization k minus 2 and also k plus 4 equals to 0. Now if you check there, is it continuously? Yeah, no. K times k. Negative 2 times 4. Kan? Tahulah puasa. Tapi semuanya. Yeah. Okay. A, C, A. Okay, now we are going to look at G. H minus 2, H minus 1 equals to 12. Okay. This one easy lah for you. First step is going to be what? Yep, we are going to expand this one. So you're going to get H square minus H minus 2H plus 2. And then straight away bring, yes, minus 12 over here and equals to 0. So we are going to simplify everything there. There are going to be like terms lah. And also our number over here lah. And you are going to get your quadratic here going to be what? Negative 3H and also minus 10 equals to 0. Now check back your your A there is going to be positive 1. That's my advice for you to have the continuous. Senang untuk you buat. So this one A1 positive. This one going to be B. This is going to be C. So by using your calculator straight away, you are going to get your first H going to be 5. The second H going to be negative 2, kan? Betul? So this one easy lah. H minus 5 equal to 0. This one first bracket here is going to be H minus 5. The second one here, H plus 2 equals to 0. So you're going to get the second bracket over here, H plus 2. So you're going to get this is going to be what? Your factorization going to be. Okay, next. Apa? I. R plus 1, R plus 9 equals to 16R. Oh, okay, almost the same lah like G just now. But this one is going to be for our R lah. Okay, so what happened over here? Expand. So we are going to get R square plus 9R plus R plus 9. Bring 16R. You're going to get minus 16R equals to 0. So if you look over here, the like terms is going to be 9R, 9R, and minus 16R. So our quadratic going to be R square minus 6 kan? 6R plus 9 kan? So the first R going to be 3. Ya ke? Second R 1. Sure? 1. Okay, second R is 1. Sekejap lagi ada juga not continuous over here. Why? Look. R minus 3 equals to 0. R minus 1 is going to be equals to 0. So if I do my factorization here, R minus 3 and also R minus 1 equals to 0. Is it continuous? Macam mana you dapat? Yep. Negative 3 times negative 1. How come you're going to get 9? Betul ke 3 and 1? Your answer. Macam mana dapat 3 and 1? Sebab how you get 3 and 1? Cetak betul je. 1, negative 6, and also 9. Saya dapat 9 lah. Girls? What do you get? Saya dapat 3 je. Both are going to be 3, not 3 and 1. Kan? If you are going to have only 1, how come? So, you just write 3 lah this one. Jangan suka hati letak 1 tu. Why? Because, macam mana saya nak tahu? Sebab I want to have this one. I want to check. Negative 3 times negative 3 times. Betul kan? If you are saying just now negative 3 and 1, macam mana dapat ni? This one is correct. R square. So there's going to be something wrong in our calculation there. Is it going to be R equals to 3 both of our number? Yes, because we are going to get what? Our factorization. So you have 2 lah. So means that our R going to be at 1 point only lah. Kan? 1 point only, which is our 3 there. Okay.